Hi, hello, welcome to our channel, our education, our thoughts. So, this is Satish Babu, you know that, and I really very happy because you supported me in the first video very well, so that I'm saying thank you. And now let us see the second video of this parts of speech also. It is really going to be very rock. So, why the late? Let us watch it. So, in the first video, we have covered that noun, pronoun, and adjective. So, what is a noun? Noun is a naming word. And what is a pronoun? It is used instead of a noun. So, that is called a pronoun. Adjective means it is noun or pronoun modifier. So that means this modifies the noun or pronoun. So up to here in the first video, if anybody did not watch it, please go and watch the first video of parts of speech, noun, pronoun and adjective. And if you do not forget yet, please subscribe to our channel, our education, our thoughts. Thank you. And now let us go to our actual session. Today, let us cover these: what is a verb, what is an adverb, and what are articles. Let us cover these three. Before going to that, let us see the first, what is a verb. In this, let us see some of the examples like, you see here, Radha sings a song. Rama and Raja are good friends, and he became a lawyer. If you observe these three examples in this, so what is Radha, what is Rama, and what is he? Here Radha and Rama are nouns and he is a pronoun. And here you see that song. What is that song? Objective. And good friends. Both these are Rama and Raja, good friends, of course. And he means somebody else, anybody. So a lawyer. You see here, lawyer is a profession here, and he developed like that, so that he became. And Rama and Raja, good friends of are. And song. What is going to be happen here? Singing. So singing means singing and eating, writing, sleeping, and like that. So that is also a action. So these sings and are and became, so these are known as verbs. So in this, what we can understand here, so sings, that is an action word, and are, what is that? State of being, and became is occurrence. So that a verb is a word which shows that an action or state of being or occurrence. So that of the subject, we know that. So that is called a verb. So now let us write the definition. Verb is a word which shows an action or state of being or occurrence. These are known as verbs. Generally, most of the verbs we can see that in the action only. Let us see some of that. Means here Radha sings. Not only that, we can see another also. I am writing English. In this, you see here what is going on here? Writing. The action is going on by the subject. I am means that means here who is speaker? I am. So that's me. So writing, going on action, teaching, telling, asking, quarreling. Not only this, not only by. So while going on traveling, isn't it? So adding, cutting, all these come under that verbs only in this. So we can see that these actions and state of being not only are, so there are so many. Let us see what are those. Now we can see that this happening and action. So action verbs generally, action verbs and state of being, which shows, let us see. In this action verbs, you know that add, blow, cut or catch, do, eliminate, fix, go, what and everything in this. Now let us see some of the state of being words. What are those? Come under that state of being. In this is, are, was, were, be, being, been. All these are state of being, showing the state of being. Understand? So let us see that some other occurrence also. Occurrence means happening, like nothing but what is that? Happening or becoming, isn't it? So like that we can see some of the verbs. We can know that these verbs shows that an action of the subject. Subject means the nouns, the speaker or the action or who is their subject. So that is in the you see in this example, they played cricket. So what is this played? Played is an action word and they is the subject. That means this action is done by the subject they. So that what do they do generally here? They played cricket. They played cricket. The action is completed here on cricket and by that subject they. So that action is known as played. Teaching, telling, even waving our hands, writing, even this rubbing also. Is it clear to you? Even this rubbing also an action word. Now let us see some other action words, like how can we identify these action words like. By adding that, you see suffix. In the suffix en or ate or ise or ize, isn't it? So, or ify. So these come as suffixes to make verbs like. So we see some of them. So you see here, for example, sharp is there. Sharp is an adjective, you know that. But plus en becomes a verb sharpen. Sharpen means the pen should be sharpened, like that. So in this 8 also you see an example. Communication. Instead of that also noun becomes that communicate. Eight. N. Like. Otherwise this one. For this one you see here. For example, synthesis. This also becomes like synthesize, to make it synthesize. Synthesize means preparation. Prepare, like. IFY also comes like that. For example, beauty is there. But it becomes by adding that beautify. What is that? Beautify. Like that we can make. That means sometimes these some nouns or adjectives comes there. But with that word only we can make by adding these suffixes to get that verb. So by adding these we get the verbs like that. So this is also we can identify whether it is a noun or verb. Okay. So and another thing is I want to say that there are so many types of verbs. Okay, in this, according to the tense also these verbs will change. For example, go is the verb, basic verb. Sometimes if it is completed action, we say went. Isn't it? Past participle, gone. Like that. Sometimes going also we say. Going or goes. So these are all the other forms even verb only. So to says that only one action, but according to the tense, in the present tense, past tense or future tense, in which tense, that means when we want to say about that completed actions, we have to use went, like. When it is now present, go or goes or going, like. So like that we can say this. And there are other types of verbs also there. And what are those? For example, regular verb, irregular verb. Regular and irregular. Transitive, and intransitive. Linking verb. And definite and indefinite. These are also known as finite verb and infinite verbs. So like that we can see there are different types of verbs. When we go to that classes, we can see all these deeply in the next classes. So I think it is clear to you a verb is an action word, and also it shows that the state of being, and also occurrence, and moreover we can make by adding some suffixes also. And there are other types of verbs also. Now let us see what is an adverb. So before going to that, let us see some examples. Like already we have seen that. What is that? Radha sings a song. Okay. But here let us see how it is. The difference, let us know that. Radha sings beautifully. So, and one more I will tell you. What we can write? Shyam. Shyam teaches nicely. And Satish speaks fluently. In this, we know that, you see here, what is the difference? First of all, let us come to that. Radha sings a song. Generally, we say that Radha sings. Okay, she sings, okay. But here, when we come to that, this word beautifully, it shows that sings, okay. But how does she sing? Beautifully. That means it is very audible. It is musical. Isn't it? So that automatically we know that this beautifully saying that about this how she sings. How does she sing? That means this beautifully word modifying the sing. So sing, what is sing? It is a verb. It is a verb. So that this verb is modified by this word. So that the word which is modified, which modifies the verb, those are known as adverbs. Mainly, these action words will be modified by these adverbs. So when we say that Radha sings beautifully, you know that that Radha is a good singer. We can understand. That means it is modifying how does she sing. Got it? So we must understand that these even nicely and fluently also. You see here, Shyam teaches nicely. So he teaches, of course, but how does he teach? Nicely. That means his teaching will be very good. His teaching is very good. And Satish speaks fluently. So he speaks whatever it is. But how does he speak? Fluently. There is no flawlessly, without any interruption, he speaks like that. So we can understand here these words generally come at the end of the sentence, and mostly they will end by the ly words. Mostly, not all, remember. So, and also these modify the verbs. So, how can we say that an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies a verb. Remember, an adjective is also there, that is modifier of a noun, but this is a modifier of a verb, adverb. So that action, how it is, the intensity, so how it is, we know that. So like that we can understand these adverbs also. Is it clear to you? So let us see some of the adverbs like, you see here, one more example I tell you. Snail moves slowly. Cheetah runs fast. Ram is, what is that? Ram is prepared hard. In this slowly, or sometimes we can say slow also. Slow itself an adverb and adjective, and slowly also sometimes we use, but don't use that fastly or hardly. That means we can understand that fast itself an adverb. So Sita runs fast. It runs fast. Already it is showing that how does he run. So even Ramesh prepared hard. He prepared hard, not hardly. So like that we sometimes we can see these without ly words also. These are also. So that means we can understand that the adverb is the word that modifies the verbs. So that these are about the adverbs. And we know that what is another? Now let us see articles. So articles. Let us go to some examples like an apple, a chair, a pen, a car, an elephant, a balloon, a bucket, an orange, a tub, the sun, the moon, the earth. So if you see all these examples here, we have seen that apple, chair, pen, car, elephant, balloon, bucket, orange, tub, sun, moon and earth. These you see here, but here you know that too. And A also came, and the also came, the also came like that. Why do we say that? Why do we add this? That means these are all, we can know that singular nouns. An apple means we understand that a singular noun. Countables. And of course, we know that a chair, an apple. Here, why don't we say that apple? You see here, a apple, apple a sound, and a also a sound. It is the sound, not the letter. So a apple overlapping each other, so that it is very difficult to say that. So our native of Englishmen or native speakers, they kept like that to say, to speak easily. And also indicates only one. A also indicates only one, and also indicates only one line. So that where do we keep an or a? You see here. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are known as vowels. What are those? Vowels. So what are those? Vowels. These vowels, we can understand that they have some of the pronunciation is different. Sometimes it may be a like, isn't it? Gate, G-A-T-E, gate. A sound gives, isn't it? But sometimes it gives another. You see here, cat, gate. So the sound is changed here. A sound sometimes comes, A sound sometimes comes, even E also, isn't it? In this itself, GET, get. In this itself, EAT, eat. You see here that changes that E, A, even I also sometimes says like that. For example, ICE. What is it? I sound came. But in this India, E sound comes there. Like that, the sound will be different. So, according to that, the sound, vowel sound, we will say vowel sound. According to the vowel sound, we use the yan. Whenever not vowels, the sound should be vowel sound. Remember. Why? I will give one example to you. And you see here, our, you know that, but it is not our, it is our. H is there, but H is not a vowel. What is this? Consonant. Even though it is consonant, but the sound is like a. In the Telugu, a sound like. So this a sound gives us an vowel sound. And vowel sound. So that whenever that comes that vowel sound, automatically an article comes there. Isn't it? Is it clear to you? So even apple also a sound. But chair, you see, even though it is also consonant, chair, cha sound comes there. There is no any vowel sound. So that a. In this also orange also vowel sound. So that an, elephant, egg, umbrella, all these. But you see here another example. European or Europe country. So here it is also started with vowel. But the sound is consonant sign. U is not a vowel. So that it comes a European, A1, even one also, even O is also there. Of course it is a vowel, but it pronounced as va sound, like in Telugu, va sound. It is not achu, that is means vowel. It is not vowel. So va sound is a consonant sound, so that A comes there. So these two also, we know that, is it clear to you? We know that these two are the, so let us write, you see here, a pen, a book, a car, a dog. So here another, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an auto. All these also, if you observe here, a pen means, what you say? A pen means any pen. That means there is no definite. It is not particular. So, any pen. A book means any book. A cow means any cow. A dog means any dog. Dog is coming. A dog is coming means we don't know what it is. Whose dog is. And an apple also. An apple means any apple. There are so many apples there. If you ask any, give an apple means he gives any apple from them. Isn't it? An orange also. Any orange like. An umbrella means any umbrella. An auto means any auto. Only, certainly this one only we can't say here. That means these indicates that indefinite. What is that? Indefinite. So that we can understand that indefinite articles are. So that means article is the word. This is also noun modifier, remember. Technically noun modifier. That is why we wrote here in the previous class there are only 8 parts of speech, because this article also comes under that adjective place. So Now let us see what is articles. What are articles like? These are also what we can say. Articles are the words. These are also words modify the nouns. In this we can see that a, an and the are the. A is and an are indefinite articles. But while coming to this, this is definite article. Definite article. Already we have seen that we wrote here definite article instead of that the sun, the moon, the Mount Everest, the Eiffel Tower. So like that even mountains also, the mountain, like even the earth. In this you see here, because sometimes we pronounce it as the and the also. Already we know that a and an. What is a when it comes? When the sound is consonant before the nouns or words, noun phrases like, whenever that comes that they come that consonant is there, automatically a comes there. If it is vowel, an comes there. There is some difference. We identify that. But here how can we for both, even earth is also pronouncing as vowel sound. So that here THA also there, even consonants also the same word we have written here, isn't it? But the pronunciation is different. That pronunciation is different. Whenever the vowel sound comes, it pronounced as the. What is that? The in Telugu. The. But when we come to the consonant sounds, it pronounced as the. Here we must say the sun, the moon. The moon, why it is the moon? Because moon is the consonant sound, moo sound, sound, consonant sound, so that the. But whenever that earth comes there, for example, even egg also. Whenever we write that egg, here we should not say the egg. This is the egg. Because the egg is pronounced as vowel sound. So all vowel sounds, whenever that is particular definite article, whenever that definite thing, automatically we will say that the egg. Now you read it. What is that? Umbrella is there. So THE are there. Umbrella, what is that? Vowel sound or consonant sound? Yes, vowel sound. So vowel sound, whenever that comes, that vowel sound, we must say that this is also the umbrella, not the umbrella. Okay, so the umbrella. So like that, there is difference even, because in the indefinite articles we have two, but various coming to the definite article one and only, but it pronounces two different styles. One is the and another is the. The comes when the word is consonant sound. Starts with the consonant sound. The comes when the word have that vowel sound. So this is all clear, I think. So we can understand that the words which are modified that nouns, and also these come before the noun. Before the noun or noun phrases. Okay, phrases also sometimes. So even like that also we know that means we can understand that articles are the modifiers only, noun modifiers, and they come before the nouns, singular nouns or countable nouns like a and yan. But the means we can't say, but it's a group also we can say. The stars, even plural form also we can say. But these a and an indicates only one, remember. But the indicates group or collective or two. The two people coming towards me, they are coming towards me. That means the two people means, people is the plural word, isn't it? But the is the definite article. That means the two people means already we know that about them, so that we are saying that. So even the pen means it is definite. That means I have written with the blue pen marker only. You okay? But my students, when I ask my students bring the pen, means he understands that already that sir wrote with the blue pen only. I must bring that blue pen only. Then he brings that the pen means. Then when we use the, it becomes definite. Even though these indefinite nouns also, when we use the, that becomes or the or the, it becomes definite things. For definite things only we use the. Okay, is it clear? So this is the about the a, the. These two are the articles and of course indefinite articles, and this is definite. Totally 3. So a and the or the. So a and is for indefinite things and countable only 1. The is for plural or singular. But when we use even the definite things, one and only there. For example, isn't it? Charminar is there, isn't it? So that is the monument, one and only. So like that we use this the also when that common nouns. So this is all about our class today's. So you can understand and you can observe that where that a comes, an comes and the comes. So when we go through that some of the text, so even it is available in our internet or web pages or textbooks, you go through it and identify these. Okay, is it clear to you? I think you understood well, and I really appreciate you if you learn something from our class. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, our education, our thoughts. It is the presentation of our team. Thank you.